How to withdraw Shiba Inu from Binance to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Shiba Inu from your Binance to Gcash. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Then, tap on Wallets located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Transfer. Here, you will see an option to select the coin. Tap on it, search for SHIB and select Shiba Inu. Now, enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. You can also choose the wallet you would like to transfer from, such as Spot Wallet or another wallet. Then tap on Confirm Transfer to complete the process. And that's it. You've initiated the transfer of your Shiba Inu from Binance, which you can then cash out through Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.